guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Vlogmas day 17 and I'm just going to show you guys how to do a quick last minute gift. So today's last minute gift making do it yourself is a blanket. So first of all, you're going to need a piece to go on top and then a piece to go on the bottom. What I will say is if you get a piece to go on top like this, make sure you either get a solid color to go underneath. So for mine, I could have either used blue, I could have used yellow, I could have used black, I could use red. So just measure it out to make sure that both of your pieces are the same length. And of course you're going to want to use some scissors. And like I said, spread it out, make sure it's even, and then you can go from there. So my mom got this for me at Hobby Lobby because she knows I love making blankets and putting them together myself instead of buying them. That way I'm more comfortable and that way I can just enjoy the blanket myself. So first you want to cut some slits. You're going to cut slits. You can either cut them as you go and then wait till you finish the one side cutting the slits to put the blanket together, or you can cut slits like this and then you will just easily, like I said, just cut a little bit long, just make it long enough to be able to tie the two pieces together, and then you can you'll be able to tie them up. So that's our first cut. Your cuts don't have to be perfect just because you will be tying them together anyways. Luckily this second piece of fabric underneath the black part was just getting literally everywhere, so I don't know, maybe some different type of fabric would have been better, but like I said, you just want to tie these two together. What I've noticed is you take the bottom and make it tied up instead of using the top. If you use the top majority then the bottom piece, it'll scrunch your blanket up and make your blanket even smaller, so basically like shrink it. And then just continue to make cuts and continue to tie it, double knot it. And then your corners you can easily determine, okay, do I want to do it all the way to the end, or do I just want to leave the corners the way that they are, which would be fine. I just take it as sometimes things might get caught up in them if you don't close them all the way. So what I did with the corners was cut slits on the left hand side of the blanket and then on the right side of the corner, and I just made them together. So at this point, you just want to, like I said, cut the slits on all four sides, or you can choose to do it on just the two sides. It's totally up to you. But this definitely makes a quick last minute gift because this blanket making took literally less than an hour, because I was so focused on getting it done. And it definitely pays off to make sure that everything is level when buying it in the actual store, and then just to make sure that you have your blanket cut on the same, just at the same time. That way you're not being able to use both pieces.
And everything's bright, everyone's happy, the spirits are light. I am sitting here thinking, alone with my drink, as I do this time of the year. town when I'm sitting here drinking. I can't help but think about you, about us, as I do this time of the year. I think I remember me being with you. Was that just a dream that never came true? I am sitting here sinking, drink after drink, as I do this time of the year.
I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video of me making a quick last minute gift, and I hope that you guys check out the rest of my Vlogmas content, and I hope that you all will join me tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 18.